Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a lot in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to open up your projects. So either you can go to your file and click on your projects and choose any project that you would like. For example, this one, and I won't save. And or you can just open an existing project. So basically here let's just go to projects media and I'm just going to import some stock media in my case. So here we will have this media or stock media, and here I'm just going to add this one. And basically here whenever you are like importing media, you will have some panel that opens with them. For example, let's just go for this quick text, and as you can see it will have its own panel too. So each object in Filmora would have a panel. Now you would be needing just to choose your video that you want to apply LUTs on, and basically go to color. So here you will have the basic colors, the HSL, which is the hue saturation and lightning, and basically the curves, color wheels, etc. Now all we need to do is just to go to this LUTs panel. You will find it here in the basic, and basically we need just to enable the LUTs. So as you can see, you can either have an AI color palette, which is a new feature of Filmora, and you can choose colors and lights. So from here, you will need just to go to the LUT presets, and basically you will use a LUT. And of course, you can also add your own LUT that you can download or that you have created or whatever. And basically, you need just to locate your cube file and you click on open, and basically it will be applied. And basically, this is how you can apply a lot on your videos on Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.